Have you ever thought about what happens when millions of AI agents start interacting? Not just with humans, but with each other. Imagine a world where digital assistants, chatbots, and smart tools don't just follow your instructions, but talk to one another, solve problems together, and even make decisions with little or no human oversight. That world is coming, and according to Google DeepMind, we are nowhere near ready for it. Before we dive into the risks and headlines you haven't heard, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think would happen if millions of AI started strategizing together? We want to see your wildest predictions. All right, let's get into it. Just last month, Google DeepMind announced they're putting $10 million toward research on exactly this problem. What actually happens when huge numbers of AI agents interact online? This isn't just about one smart chatbot or a helpful home assistant. This is about a future digital society filled with autonomous agents carrying out tasks, negotiating, working, and possibly fighting, completely outside human control. According to Rohin Shah, who leads DeepMind's AGI safety and alignment research, we're headed into a totally new territory. We're not just talking about individual AI acting out of line. We're talking about an entire ecosystem of agents that can carry out tasks, take instructions from other AIs, and develop complex behaviors nobody expected. In the past decade, we've focused on alignment, ensuring a single model does what we want. But the future is agentic. We're moving from a single brain to a global network, and as that network scales, our ability to monitor it manually disappears. Why should we worry? Right now, the internet has plenty of bad actors, scammers, hackers, and digital grifters. But imagine these problems supercharged, multiplied by millions, and automated at blazing speed. We might see AI-driven scams, prompt injection attacks where a single line of code can hijack fleets of AI systems, and cyber attacks so coordinated that humans can't even keep up. In Shah's words, we've got this digital commons that is integral to how society works, and you really want to ensure that this doesn't descend into absolute anarchy. At our firm, where we implement AI solutions for construction, legal, and engineering organizations, we see the potential and the friction every day. We understand the pressure business leaders face to automate while maintaining security. We understand that you want the efficiency of autonomous supply chains, but you can't afford the liability of a rogue agent network. It's a delicate balance that requires deep strategic foresight. We've seen how a single misconfigured automation can ripple through a project schedule. Think back to the flash crash of 2010. High-frequency trading algorithms interacted in ways that wiped out billions in minutes. That was simple compared to what's coming. A modern agentic crash won't just be about stock prices, it will be about physical infrastructure and legal integrity. Imagine your engineering agent optimizes a structural design, but your procurement agent, trying to save costs, negotiates a lower grade of steel with a supplier's AI. If they don't talk correctly, the result is a catastrophic failure that no human ever approved. Success is a self-healing network. Failure is a systemic collapse. This $10 million fund is designed to jumpstart a whole new field by focusing on 4 critical research clusters. They want academic and nonprofit researchers, not just the big tech companies, to get ahead of the curve. Cluster 1 is all about sandboxes and test beds. We can't predict social phenomena by looking at individuals. We need realistic digital environments where we can drop thousands of agents and see how they interact over months with real economic incentives. Cluster 2 focuses on the science of agent networks. This studies emergence, when a network of agents suddenly acquires a dangerous skill that no single agent possessed. It's like how you can't understand a football match by observing a single player in a vacuum. Third, agent infrastructure. This is the plumbing of the multi-agent world. We need programmatic contracts and gatekeepers that allow agents to transact safely and transparently without being hijacked by a single malicious line of code. And Cluster 4, multi-agent oversight. We need to know who is responsible when something goes wrong, attribution, and we need kill switches that can stop a harmful collective behavior without crashing your entire business operation. Google DeepMind isn't doing this alone. They've teamed up with Schmidt Sciences, the UK's moonshot agency ARIA, and the Cooperative AI Foundation. Together, they are trying to institutionalize this field before the commercial incentives make safety a secondary concern. There's another bombshell. True artificial general intelligence might not come from a single supercomputer. It might emerge from a digital hive mind where many agents' abilities combine in unpredictable ways. The whole might end up far more dangerous than any single agent. Other labs like Anthropic are already worried. They're using a zero-trust approach, starting with the assumption that any system can and will be hacked. This flips the script. Instead of assuming your AI is trustworthy, we must assume it's a potential attacker and design around that. There's also the legal nightmare of attribution. If a chain of 10 agents makes a mistake that leads to $1 million loss, who is responsible? The developer of the first agent? The second? Or the infrastructure provider? This is a field that barely exists yet, but it's one we are watching closely. The initiative aims to address what Shaw calls invisible safety risks, threats that only appear when independent systems collide. This includes economic destabilization caused by agents entering deadlock loops, where they endlessly negotiate without resolution. The urgency is real. Shaw estimates we have maybe a few months before these agents are so widespread that the risks become systemic. He's talking about late 2024 or early 2025 at the latest. That's not science fiction. It's the reality of the coming year. We cannot afford to ignore boring problems for theoretical threats. These agent-based systems break all the old rules. They reason, they improvise, and they can be hijacked by something as simple as a malicious instruction slipped into a document. The future is arriving faster than anyone thought. What was once unthinkable is now reality in today's AI labs. To lead in this environment, we must move faster than the business as usual. We must build safety into the architecture today. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. How do you think our digital society will change once AIs start running the show? And what risks do you see coming? We want to hear your predictions. And if you're serious about the future of AI, don't miss the related video in the corner for a deeper dive. Take action, stay curious, and let's build a smarter, safer tomorrow together.